Well, hey everybody, it's Eric with Steel Wheels. Hi Lily, how you doing? And I'm just about to head off to Europe, and I got this in the mail. Well, actually, Amazon delivered this, and I found out from Airbnb, from my second host, that they're not going to be in Ljubljana when I get there. There's going to be a lady that's going to be there, and she speaks Russian and another language I have no idea. So I decided it wasn't enough to have software on my phone that would help me translate when I'm overseas. I need something that can do it on the fly. So I got this AI translator. So let's check it out. Let's see what we get in the box here. All right. So here we have the AI translator. Nice nifty little box. Says it does speech, learning, recording, and also has photos. So one of the things that drew me to this is that there is some AI working in this device that I guess is going to help it learn my voice a little bit better, but it also has a ton of languages it works with. So let's open up the box and see what we got. Technical support and warranty information. Cool. You can get a hold of them via WhatsApp. Oh, that's nice. That way, if you're overseas and you need help, you don't have to log into a cell network. So here's the device. And I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. See what we've got going on here. Let's see what else comes in the box. Let's see. What else do we have here? Probably just a power cable, but maybe we get something else. All right, so what's this? This looks like a little quick release. So you can wear it on a lanyard and then you can take it off when you need to. Oh, that's nice. That's thoughtful. Micro, USB to micro cable. Let's see. Manual that I just tore, but it's all in Chinese. So, yeah. Wouldn't be able to read that much anyway. Let's see. We have another manual here, AI translator, and this is in English. So I guess on one side it's Chinese, on one side it's English. So I'm going to go ahead and read through the instructions and get this all set up. I know I tore it in half. Oh, well. That's what you get for ripping stuff out of the box. But I've got a bunch of instructions to read through here, and then I'll check back in a minute. And but this looks like it's going to be a good device for me to take with on the trip. And so, yeah, AI translator. Let's check it out. All right, so I have gone through the rest of this. The instructions are pretty simple. There's a few settings here. We go to the main screen. We've got speech translation. We've got photo translation. Now, these are both online versions, right? So if you take a picture, if you're talking, you need to be online. Now, if you want to record what you want to say for the translation, you can do that over here. Also, you have offline availability for a handful of languages. Let's get in there. And if we click up here under Chinese traditional, it shows that there are a few different choices of language packs that we can download. So I'm doing German, Spanish, Russian, and French. There's a good chance I'm going to run across those languages where I'm going. Definitely need Russian. I also threw Chinese in just for the heck of it. It seems to have enough data to store all this stuff, which is great. So then we come back up under the language pack. Let's see what we're doing here. And then go to the next screen. And now we can do chat. You can check on your internet connection. It has a language learning process where you can start talking and it starts learning how you speak. I have to look into that a little bit more. And then the settings. And once you get into the settings, you can dial in your internet connection. You can set the system language and turn on Bluetooth so you can monitor what's being said via a headphone if you want to. It doesn't support microphone, but this looks like a pretty robust little unit. It's pretty smart so far, and well, we'll give it a shot. So if you're interested in checking this out, you can do it by clicking on the link below. And thanks a lot for checking out this video. This is Eric with Steel Wheels, and this is the AI translator. It's what I'm taking to Europe with me to help me sort out all the different languages over there. So if you're interested in getting one of these, check it out in the link below, and you can get one from Amazon. Took me 2 days to get this one. So, all right, cool. Thanks a lot, and look forward to more videos from Europe. Bye. All right, last little bit. Looked into the language learning piece of it, and check this out. So say you want to figure out how to find the bathroom in Chinese. You press and hold down the record button. All right, so here's the cool thing is that I'm going to a place like Croatia, and I need to know how to find the bathroom. So, where is the bathroom? So, definitely going to be coming in useful overseas. This is, of course, I need to have 3G or Wi-Fi to make this work in a bunch of countries, but not for the 6 main languages. So, pretty cool stuff. I'm liking this thing more and more. All right, here we go.